how should we be
Yeah.
prepared for next academic year? What do you think? Because the pandemic is not going away. Looking at the pace of our
Yeah.
vaccination drive, things are not going to be certainly normal probably till December, January. So,
Yeah.
how are you looking at it as an educationist, former director of higher education? What preparations or precautions we need to take as far as
Yeah.
the next academic year is concerned?
Yeah. It's a good question. In fact, we have we what we should have done during 2021
Hmm.
this year, we have not been able to. I mean, we have not been able to do what we were required to do. A lot of things were required to have been done. We could have started. See, I come with the teaching per se, to start with the teaching which was happening. Well, with the help of the Prudent Media, Goa Administrators Association, and with some other support, as well as on the online learning, something has happened.
Hmm.
But it has not reached to that level, up to the level of the student where it was supposed to. Why? Variety of the problems were there, and those were the systemic problems over which we have not been able to provide the solutions. Now, this was one thing. Now, secondly, we could have even planned in a still better manner for the year 2021, planning for an online examination with multiple choice questions, with a limited syllabus, with limited subjects. For example, for science, we could have picked up some core subjects, and only on those we could have gone in for the what you call multiple choice questions. We could have gone in for that. Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Yeah, we could have gone in. Yeah, we could have gone in for that for the year 2021. However, for 21-22, we have to presume that the 21-22 year also is not going to be normal year, based on what the medical fraternity says, based on what the scientists say, based on what the World Health Organization says, and in view of presumptive, we are presuming that there will be the next wave of virus which will be coming. Now, if we presume that, in line with that, we need to prepare. And this preparation would mean so many things. Number one, the board will have to take up a quick decision right now, in next 10 days, 15 days, in next maximum in next 1 month, 1 month's time. The board has to take a decision that there will be trimming of the syllabus. Then it is a given situation now. It is 100% sure that we will never be in a position to complete the entire syllabus. It is here that the Goa board will have to come out, discussing with the boards of studies, and prepare for the trimmed syllabus, which can be covered up within a period of, say, 6 months. This is first step which need to be taken. Number two, we need to lay emphasis, or we need to give weightages for certain subjects. For example, science, we talk of physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology. For commerce, we talk of economics, then accountancy, secretarial practice, something like that, those which are very important subjects for commerce. Similarly, for languages, we talk of, for arts stream, we need to emphasize on political science, economics, as well as some core languages. Now, this is what needs to be done. So, trimming of syllabus is one thing. Second thing is, once the syllabus is trimmed, we also need to go for a new methodology of teaching. Now, we have seen that post-pandemic, education is never going to be the same as it was earlier. There are many good things which have happened, and one good thing out of that which has happened is that there is a possibility of hybrid learning. We can think of 30-70. For example, 30% of the portion could be online, and 70% portion